is my last day here in Manuel Antonio. I leave tomorrow, heading south, about a 3-hour bus ride to Dominico. Looking forward to going there. That place sounds awesome. While the sun is shining and it's not raining yet, I thought I would take you guys on a walking tour of the small village of Manuel Antonio. Let's get going. Well, that wraps up the walking tour of Manuel Antonio. It's not a very big place, as you can see. It certainly does have one of the most beautiful beaches, though, that I've seen so far here in Costa Rica. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say thank you for checking it out. And if you haven't already, please take a second, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody who has hit that subscribe button and who is following me. I'll see you guys at the next video.